So the same thing here, came down here, acted as support, came up towards this zone here, acted as resistance, came down here towards this zone, acted as support, came up here, maybe around here, acting as resistance, came down towards this line, acting as support. So now basically it's just support and resistance then. Okay, so let's say let me use this arrow so I can actually demonstrate what I'm saying. You can see from here the market came down this particular line, it broke it, then came back to this line. So this line is now acting as what? It's acting as the support. So it came up here again, broke it, came down again, came down, was consolidating. Then this area now was a bit stable for it. So this area now is acting as a resistance zone. Came down here, retest here, acting as support, came here, resistance. Simple and simple. So if you don't want to use the Fibonacci to like determine minor resistance and support trend line, you can actually use your own like your own line, like form it through your own analysis. Like from here now, you can, okay, let's say around here, you say I placed the line around this particular market reversal here. So the market now came here, broke it, so now it's acting as resistance, right? So it came down here, retest this line, acting as support. So it came up here and retest this line, acting as what again? Resistance. This was the former resistance. So anytime a resistance is being broken, it turns to support. Anytime a support is being broken, it turns to resistance. So now it retested this line, then came up, then retested it again, then went up again. So this is still acting as a support. Good. So it came up here, broke this particular place here. So this place is acting as support, acting as support. So it came up towards this particular line. This is a very strong resistance. Then came down here. So around here, this is actually a very good support. So it came up here, retested this support again around. I don't need to draw the line, but I just know as the market came back to retest this particular line, it's acting as a support. So it came up here again towards this place. Reacted with this particular high here. This place is acting as a resistance. So it came down towards this line, this particular line. So now this line is acting as, currently now this line is acting as a resistance, a support line. So the market now broke this mini. If you look closely, you see this mini high here as it broke it. So this mini high now is acting as a minor support. You get a minor support. So now market might likely go up, maybe take out this high or take out something to act as a support or resistance. So basically that is how support and resistance is. It's just where market might likely retest and where my market might likely react. Those two places, the support and resistance. I know what I said earlier, resistance is for the sell, support is for the buy. So you wouldn't like mix it up. Just know resistance areas are areas where the market might likely reverse from for a sell, while supports are areas where the market might likely retest for a buy. You understand? Very simple. So you can actually try this and understand this by yourself, so you can understand the market much better. So you can actually draw lines on areas where you see market has actually retested from, to actually figure out where the support and resistance areas will be. So you can just do that so you can actually understand the market better. So it will be good. All right.